So in this video, we're going to learn how to find the standard error of the mean. That's represented by this equation right here. So this symbol is the standard deviation divided by the square root of n, which is your sample size. So first you have to find your standard deviation. We'll start over here with the sample of these random numbers, and we'll find the standard deviation. So to find the standard deviation in Excel, you hit the equal sign. It's STDEV and then .s for a sample. And now you can just highlight all of your numbers. Then close your parentheses and hit enter. And right here is your standard deviation. So now we'll find the standard error with that. So we do the equal sign, click on our standard deviation, divide it by the square root, which is SQRT, parentheses. And the sample size in this case is 10, so we'll use 10 as the sample. And that's our standard error. So now just to add a little bit more information, we're going to use different sample sizes. So if we were given this standard deviation, how would a larger sample size end up affecting our standard error? So now we'll use the same standard deviation, but this time we'll divide it by the square root of a larger sample size of 25. So as you can see, the standard error went down when we did that. We'll try it again with 100 this time, same standard deviation. You divide it by the square root of 100. And it went down again. And lastly, we'll just try it out with a really large sample size of 500 divided by square root of 500. And as you can see, it went down again. So the larger sample size that you have, the smaller standard error you'll have. So with more data comes more concise information. So that is how you find the standard error of the mean and how the standard error will decrease when the sample size increases.